Many Galaxy users have reported issues with the Samsung keyboard, especially after a recent update. Now, for some of them, it won't open or appear, while others experience crash or see a keyboard has stopped error. So if you're dealing with this same issue on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus, here are some fixes that you can try to solve this problem. Now, just in case, if there is any Bluetooth keyboard that might be connected to your S25, from the Bluetooth sections, just go ahead and pair or forget it. If your built-in keyboard is still acting up, just go ahead force restart your S25. Press and hold the volume down and power button till the screen goes black. And in about 1 minute, your S25 will reboot by itself. If you're still having the same problem, now we're gonna just go check out some Samsung keyboard settings. From your settings, scroll down for General Management to Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down till the end, and then enter Reset to Default Settings. Now we're going to reset all these settings one after another. First, reset keyboard settings, tap on Reset, then erase personalized predictions to erase, erase personalized touch recognition data, tap on Erase, and lastly, just go ahead clear cache and then tap on Clear. If you still keep having these crashes on your Samsung keyboard, now we're going to just open up Safe Mode. Just bring up the Power Off menu and then long press on the Power Off icon and then tap on Safe Mode. Now just go ahead, try to use your Samsung keyboard while you are on Safe Mode. If it's working properly in here, maybe some third-party keyboard app is causing this issue. So we're going to just go ahead and restart our device into normal mode. And if there isn't a third-party keyboard app, just go ahead and uninstall that. And after that, hopefully your Samsung keyboard problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.